Hey guys, welcome back to HM Advisor. Let's talk about why products like PowerTye slimming shorts get so much attention online. The truth is, these products usually don't sell because of what they actually are. They sell because of what people hope they can do. If someone is struggling with stubborn body fat, the idea of losing weight just by wearing special clothing sounds extremely appealing. And that's exactly the marketing strategy many brands use. PowerTye claims their shorts use heat and special materials to increase metabolism and help burn fat faster. But when you look closer, there's very little scientific evidence proving that heated clothing can directly reduce body fat in any major or long-term way. What these products often do is create warmth, increase sweating, and add compression around the body. That can temporarily make someone look slimmer for a short time, but temporary sweating is not the same thing as actual fat loss. Real weight loss usually happens through consistent habits like proper nutrition, exercise, and maintaining a calorie deficit over time. No clothing product can magically replace that process. So, is PowerTye a scam? It doesn't appear to be a fake product, but many people believe the advertising is heavily exaggerated. If you buy it expecting dramatic fat loss results, you may end up disappointed. But if you treat it more like regular shapewear or workout compression clothing, your expectations will probably be more realistic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.